We wanted to raise our kids in Sumner. They all have different areas where they strive in. This district has done an amazing job of paying attention to each individual child.
What's special about this district is I really think we are a community. Right out of college, we spent 10 years in Portland, and when we started having a family, we knew we had to come back to Sumner.
We are a fast-growing district. In the Sumner-Bonney Lake School District, we are experiencing fast growth in both communities, especially in the Tehaleh area. We're looking in the Tehaleh area for a piece of land to build the new middle school. We look at and analyze our student capacity, our student enrollment, and what we try to do is plan for our future.
Right now, the Sumner High School looks exactly like it was when I was in school, so, that's kind of crazy.
We really decided to not Band-Aid or keep kind of renovating the existing high school, but to actually invest in the future of a new high school.
I'm so proud that we're going to do this school the right way. We're finally going to have a rebuilt Sumner High School. This is going to be the high school this town deserves. And when it sits on Main Street, main stage, this is going to be the centerpiece of Sumner.